In question 5, you're given this frequency table, and then in part A, you're asked to find the mean. Part B, you're asked to find the median. So here I've rewritten the frequency table. I just flipped it over on its side. Note that you might have different numbers here, but that's okay. The process will be exactly the same. So I think the first thing we're going to do is think about this frequency table as a data set instead of a table. So as a data set, the first 3,947 observations are going to be zeros. The next 274 observations will all be ones. The next 90 will be twos, and so on. So finding the mean, the formula for mean, remember, is sum of x's over the total number of numbers, which in this case, or for my problem, is 4370. If we were to add up these numbers one by one, that would take a really long time. So you can do this using multiplication instead. So 0 times 3947 plus 1 times 274 plus 2 times 90 plus 3 times 30 plus 4.5 times 29. And then this expression is going to be over n, so we still have to divide by n. So 4370 in the bottom here. This will give us the mean. Essentially just multiplying the numbers that are next to each other, adding all those products together, and then dividing by 4370, or whatever your total is. To find the median, just remember that the median is the number that's in the middle once the numbers are in increasing order. So here the numbers essentially are in order. 4,370 total numbers. The first 4,000 essentially are all zeros. So if we want to find the number that's in the middle, it's going to be a zero no matter what in this case. Again, that's because the first 4,000 are zeros. There are 4,370 total numbers. The middle observation is going to be observation number 2,000 something, and that'll be a zero. So for this problem, the median will be a zero because the zero is going to fall in the middle because the first 4,000 observations are all zeros.